Okay, let's move on to site appearance, the final section um, in the managed sites. So I'm going to click site layout. Now in site layout, you can choose to arrange how you want the basic layout. So let's just look at the change site layout. How wide, the header, if you even want one, the navigation bar, you can put a drop down menu there. You can have a sidebar on the left, or you can move it to the right. I would keep it on the left because people tend to look there first. That's kind of the natural where most websites put their navigation panel. You can put a footer in there if you want to maybe create links to other pages. It's just up to you. I'm happy with what I have right here, so I'm just going to go cancel. You can change how big your header is, or if you want to put another icon or logo in there. The alignment, that would be here in the header. Where do you want it to be? Vertically and horizontally. The sidebar over here. Now, you can edit, for example, the navigation page. So I added a page for lesson plans. So I want to make sure that I add that. Nice. So this is automatically organizing. So I just want to see exactly what's in there. So I guess if that box is checked, maybe we'll just leave it as is. That's cool. Now this countdown, that's just, like if you have a big project due, you can put a countdown on there so kids will know how long they have. Add a sidebar item. You can add any of these, like navigation or text, recent activity. You can look through those. And then this looks like just a text box, and it looks like they have just put a little image in here. That's fine. Cool. So that's the layout. Let's look at colors and fonts. Colors and fonts just allows you to change the basic elements of your site, but remember, these are global changes. So you're not just editing this page in the preview, you're going to be editing every single page at your Google site. So let's say maybe I want to change the background image. I don't know, let's see what it will look like if I do none. Okay, yeah, I don't like that too much. So what I can do easily is just click cancel. It'll take me back. I can go over to more actions again, go down to manage site, and back to colors and fonts. Then I can just play with all of these. So, if the way I recommend you do this is, click on one and then try it out. See, that didn't make any changes, so I'm going to go back to the default value. One thing I do recommend is as you make changes, make sure you either save them or cancel. That way you don't lose track of everything, all the changes that you have made. So, if you don't want to do something but you can't remember where you did that, it just makes life a lot easier. Okay, so you can explore these on your own. Let's look finally at themes. Themes again are just general layouts. So let's say I really like the vinyl panel site. So let's load the preview. Okay. Note, and this may be not a bad thing, but all my corkboard background, it's all gone. So you need to consider what exactly you're asking it to do before you click use it. So I may just, I like dark sites for some reason. I find white offending or something. Okay, so here's your test site. Not bad. It just isn't, there's not a lot up here. So I think what I will do is just cancel that, and I'll be left with my regular site. In the next video, I'm going to show you a little bit about hyperlinks. So I'll see you then.